Hi everyone, my name is Prashami Gupta and I did my presentation and paper on Mark Sundberg. So a little bit about Mark Sundberg. Mark L. Sundberg is popularly known as one of the professional authorities on communication or verbal behaviors. Currently, he leads Sundberg and Associates, offering training and consultation for people with disabilities. Sundberg is popularly known for his VB map chart, which I will be showing on my next slide, and we will be going over the chart and what it does. The VB map is an evaluation instrument used with people who have been given a diagnosis of autism spectrum disorder or another language disability. The VB milestone maps assessment part is used to determine a person's current skill level. So this is a picture of his chart. And if you go on Google, you can see more pictures of his chart and what it actually does as well. The first article that I will be going over is Jack Michael's contributions to the treatment of autism. Jack's main objective for his students was for them to be able to evaluate behavior in the same way that Skinner did, with a little bit of Jack Michael thrown in here and there. Jack states that automatic reinforcement could determine individual behavior. For example, rewarded behaviors are likely to be repeated. On the other hand, punishment discourages a person from repeating the behavior. The second article that we'll be going over is called Verbal Stimulus Control and the Intraverbal Relation. The analysis of verbal stimulus control is discussed along with how it differs from motivational control and nonverbal stimulus control. According to some theories, there are at least 4 increasingly complicated verbal discriminations that are significant to speaker and listener behavior, and those 4 are verbal function, altering, simple, complex, and verbal conditional. So a little bit of a summary of their work. The first article focuses on applied behavioral analysis, ABA. ABA is an approach used to understand the change of behavior. Jack states that either positive or negative reinforcement is likely to change individuals' behavior. On the other hand, the second article focuses on stimulus control, and it states that for a speaker, evoking an effective result in a verbal reaction in an intraverbal relationship, whereas for a listener, it results in a nonverbal skeletal response. Both kinds of stimulus control may take place concurrently and even make use of the same verbal stimulus. So a little bit of a summary of my interview. My interview has revolved around Sundberg's work. He works at Sundberg and Associates, which focuses on training and consultation of children and adults suffering from autism. He is popularly known for his assessment program known as a Verbal Behavioral Milestones Assessment and Placement Program, which assesses autism in different levels. So why is he important? Sundberg is a key pillar in psychology because his work, the VB map, has been at the top of the list of strategies for addressing autism. And here are my 2 references. Thank you.